According to a study conducted by Microsoft Corporation, the average human attention span in 2000 was 12 seconds. The average attention span for humans in 2013 was 8 seconds. For comparison purposes, the average attention of a goldfish is 9 seconds. That's amazing. People don't like watching static images for a long time. Sliders can help you keep the attention of the modern day viewer by introducing subtle, smooth movement during your videos and grabbing viewers' attention. The Edelkrone SliderOne V2 is an ultra-portable motorized slider with linear motion and vertical operation ability and includes wireless connectivity. Welcome back to the JC Tech and Finance channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and a review of the features of the SliderOne V2. Welcome back. So let's unbox this device. Let's put the cover aside. So in the box, you have this packet containing the user manual. With some cards, the manual in different languages, okay? And next you have the slider itself. Feels a bit heavy. Okay. Put this aside. There's also the toolkit, and that's basically it. The Edelkrone SliderOne V2 offers motion control over 20 centimeters. It also offers vertical carrying capacity of up to 5 pounds in absolute vertical operation. It uses a single Canon LP E6 battery that slides in at the end here. So in terms of connectors, there are two. One for the remote shutter triggering device, and then another one for the LANC cable. And you'll notice that there isn't an on-off button. In order to turn the device on, you need to plug in the E6N battery into the side. It also has a 3/8 mounting thread here. One of the best features about this slider is that it can be used in combination with other Edelkrone products, such as the Head 1 and the Flex Tilt. The SliderOne V2 also has an app associated with it. This app contains a lot of options allowing you to adjust the speed and transition curves, as well as contains several pose positions. It's also small, so it can be placed on one tripod rather than having to use 2 tripods like a lot of other sliders. Price-wise, it's a bit expensive. It costs about $4.99, and that doesn't include the battery. Now I'm going to end this video with some test shots. Let me know in the comment section down below what you think of it. If you found this video to be helpful, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. This is JC Tech and Finance signing out.